All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted teeth set that we just had done for a customer. These are real diamonds, micro pave. Look at that shine. It's fully iced. It's the back side. All right. Now these are made from a customer's impression of their teeth. It's a perfect fit. They just snap right on there. Real gold, real diamonds, guys. Now this is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can check us out. These are handmade, hand set diamonds. Check us out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. And as always, y'all have a good one.